Hey guys, welcome back to ReviewRounder Tech YouTube channel. After unboxing LG V30 Plus smartphone, I'm very eager to use the camera features of LG V30 Plus, and I'm going to give my thoughtful opinion and review on it. Stating that, myself Prem from ReviewRounder. Let's go guys.
The features the camera LG V30 Plus has got are huge. Not exhibiting pinpointed feature, but I will let you know each and every feature of this dual camera LG V30 Plus smartphone. Without skipping the quick specs of LG V30 Plus and move on further with camera review. Let us check out its camera specs. Dual rear camera. First camera, 16 megapixel standard angle lens with lens aperture of f1.6 and resolution ranges up to 4656 by 3492 pixels. Secondary camera, 13 megapixel wide angle lens with lens aperture of f1.9 and resolution ranges up to 4160 by 3120 pixels. The LG V30 Plus has both OIS and EIS modes with Flash and HDR modes. Zoom up to 8x. Front camera, 5 megapixel wide angle lens with lens aperture of f2.2 and resolution ranges up to 2560 by 1920 pixels. Modes such as auto shot, gesture shot, selfie light and beauty shot. Video recording, 4K recording at 30 fps up to 3840 by 2160 pixels and default recording at 1920 by 1080 default. Modes: Cine Effect, manual video mode, slow motion recording at 1280 by 720 resolution at 240 fps. I have just elaborated only the basic functions of LG V30 Plus camera. Let's dig into the pictures of LG V30 Plus smartphone. Before we start, let us see and witness what are all the options does front and rear camera of LG V30 Plus has. Here is a rear camera set of options. If we look at the settings over here, then you can customize the photo size and different resolutions. Also, you can customize your video recording resolution from 2K to 4K, which records at 30 fps. And HDR modes, timer, tracking focus, etc. for customized settings. Let us see what the modes are the rear camera of LG V30 Plus got. Video recording in manual mode, manual photo capture, auto photo capture, snapshot, match shot, cine video, grid shot, guide shot, full, slow motion, time lapse, snap mode, panoramic, 360 panoramic, pop out. These are the different modes of LG V30 Plus smartphone. These are the different types of filters like nostalgia, vintage, urban, black and white, none, vivid, and likewise along with flashlight with on mode, off mode and auto mode. See, if you observe here, two types are available, that is for macro shot and normal shot. Coming to video, you can record in both normal mode and macro mode. Also up to 8x optical zoom is available along with flashlight on and off options. This is about rear camera options. On front view, so here you can see the skin tone option, lighting mode, and these are the multiple filter available on front view like bright, classic, mellow, cool, calm, deep, romantic, etc. The most I love is the black and white mode. Even on front camera, we have macro and normal mode. You can also configure the settings on taking pictures and video. But the modes front camera has snap mode, auto, snapshot, match shot, grid shot and guide shot. Also this LG V30 Plus has front flash. Let me take a picture and show you the output of it. Here is the output. Every time when I have been doing a camera review, I used to show video samples followed by sample shots in different lighting conditions. But in this scenario, I'm gonna show you the video clarity of LG V30 Plus smartphone taken in macro mode. See, this is me taking the shot trying to capture the grass and the pebble stones in macro mode. And guys, here are the output for you. An excellent output capturing with a true color tone. And here is another shot taken, check with the same mode. The depth of field mode applied accurately. Let us get back on witnessing the sample shots taken in both daylight and dark light. Close-up shot. Firstly, on looking at the pictures taken in daylight in close-up shots in three different conditions, that is with depth of field, normal mode and the same depth of field applied on focusing the background object clearly. Here is the Goa which was taken in HDR mode in normal shot and macro shot. The picture clarity was fine in macro shot, but in the normal HDR mode, the focusing object was missing. I mean, where the capturing object was. Let us have a look on long shots which was taken in the same lighting conditions. Here is the HDR mode and the right one of which you are viewing is normal macro mode. But here in the second image taken, both were in HDR mode. Speaking on output in long shot, there is no negative feedback to give. Medium shots. I have made multiple shots in this mode capturing object in foreground and background. Just have a look at the samples. Panorama shots. LG has got two modes in capturing panorama images. See, this one is a normal capture and this one is a 360-degree capture. Pop out. In pop out mode, you can capture in 4 different modes such as fisheye, black and white, vignette, lens blur. Here is the black and white mode output which captures the selected part as it is and the remaining left black and white. Here is the fisheye mode, lens blur mode and vignette mode. Selfie. As I said, even on using front-facing camera, you can capture in different filters in macro and normal modes. This is the group selfie. And these are some selfie samples taken in macro and normal mode. I can call all these captures as 3-mode captures. I made comparison of the same object in 3 different styles, that is normal capture, depth of field capturing foreground as object and the same depth of field applied and captured background as the object. And I made nearly 20 sample shots in this mode. For example, this is the image that captured in normal mode and this is captured foreground as focusing object and this one is vice versa. Just sit back and see all the pictures to make different in styles of capturings. Video shooting. In video recording, you can see the output of rare video, front video, slow motion, time lapse and cine video. By seeing at this video recorded in twilight condition and using rare camera.
Hello guys, just listen to the capturing capability of audio. See, each and every pinpoint sound was capturing in this LG V30 Plus. This is a major add-on advantage in video capturing. And this video is capturing in UHD as it has got FHD, Full HD and UHD, Ultra HD modes. What I mean to say is modes. See, each and every pinpoint sound is capturing.
See, every pinpoint sound gets recorded here. And when I talk about the clarity of the video, yes, LG V30 Plus smartphone can capture good sum of video with better quality. This is also a slow motion video recorded at 240 fps. So the reason doesn't look like a slow motion video that records at 120 fps. The time lapse of LG V30 Plus records at 30 fps with a ratio of 15 seconds compressed to 1 second. The most video recording feature I liked in LG V30 Plus is Cine Video, as it has got a point zoom feature which I am gonna show you now. You can see two women, right? And there is a railway pass by bridge on the background. So now I'm gonna apply point zoom function to it. You can see the effect applied to it. Cine Video mode gives you more vivid colors and greater dynamic range, just like real film. And this video is taken in thriller mode. You can also apply Cine effects to it, such as scenery, drama, historical, noir, classic and thriller. And finally, using front camera, I have made a video and the output was damn good. Zoom. These are the shots taken with zoom and without zoom. That's all about the sample shots captured in day shoot. Now let us check in witnessing the sample shots taken in night shoot. Close-up shots. Both the images taken with flash, but one with normal mode and the other with depth of field effect. Likewise, the following images taken in normal mode, macro mode and macro mode with flash. Here comes the Christmas tree captured in normal mode and macro mode with flash. Also check out the iron grill here. Long shot. Just check out the 6 sets of shots and the output was awesome. That too in night shoot, we cannot expect more than this. Medium distance shot. Modes used to take these pictures are normal, macro and macro with flash, and the output was okay. Panorama. This is normal panorama and this is 360-degree panorama. And the capturing clarity we can say is definitely a better one. But LG V30 Plus doesn't have vertical panoramic mode. But the budget smartphone such as Moto G5s Plus has the feature. Selfie. As the same modes used in day shoot were used in night shoot to capture these pictures. First two are with macro and without macro. And these are taken with flash. Captures. Normal, macro and macro with flash. All the images captured in normal mode without flash and normal mode and macro mode with flash. Firstly, just have a look at the images, such as that all the images taken in normal mode and macro mode with flash output were awesome, unveiling true colors. But the images captured in normal mode and without flash was not up to the mark. Video night shoot mode, rare video. Check out the video taken at around midnight 3 am. Okay, the output was good at this point of time. Front video. And this is the front video shooting in low light. The front facing capture was also better. Video with flash. Guys, I have made a video shoot that is macro video by using flash. An LG V30 Plus smartphone exhibits a satisfactory output. Zoom. With zoom and without zoom, don't expect clarity on zoom options. That's all about viewing camera sample shots of LG V30 Plus smartphone. But speaking about the pros and cons of this V30 Plus, pros. f1.6 glass camera lens with Cine Effect, Cine video mode effect, wide angle camera, front and back, video recording in macro mode. Cons. Price. As the price segment was a bit high. Slow motion. Slow motion video records at 240 fps, where we cannot feel the impact of slow motion. So, finally LG V30 Plus smartphone is worth to by comparing with all the set of options it has. Hope you enjoyed with the sample shots I made. Guys, also check out the link of unboxing video of LG V30 Plus smartphone in the description below and drop your comments if you have any query regarding the camera review. If you want to buy the smartphone, buy from the link provided below and support us more to do such reviews. Before signing off, kindly give your thumbs up if you like the video and do subscribe to our channel and support us more. Thank you all. We'll meet in the next video.